Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on PandaBuy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pandabuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PandaBuy website. If you haven't logged into your account already and you wish to reset your password, click on the login button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now click on the forgot password button underneath the login box and you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your email address that you use to log into your account and then enter the verification code that you see underneath. After entering both of these, click on the submit button and now you will need to check your inbox of the email address that you just entered. Once you check within the inbox, you will find a link which you can click on in order to reset your password. After you click on this link, you will be asked to enter your desired new password. Just type in your password that you wish to set up and then click on the submit button. And now your password will be reset right away. You will now be able to use this new password along with your original email address in order to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on PandaBuy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.